Hey everyone! Today we're talking about how to make your Notion dashboard more aesthetic and visually appealing while keeping it functional. Start with choosing a theme or color palette. Pick 2 to 3 colors that go well together and stick to them across your dashboard. This helps everything look cohesive and professional. Next, use icons and covers for your pages and databases. Notion lets you add emojis or upload images. Icons make navigation easier, and covers give each page a distinct feel. You can even use minimalist or abstract images to keep the aesthetic clean. Organize your content with columns and toggles. Instead of one long scroll, break your dashboard into sections using columns, dividers, and toggle lists. This reduces clutter and lets you see the most important info at a glance. Custom fonts and headings also make a huge difference. Use consistent heading sizes and bold fonts for titles and smaller fonts for details. Notion supports basic font styling and headers, which helps guide the eye through your dashboard. Add widgets and embeds for extra flair. Things like a weather widget, calendar, clock, or even progress bars can make your dashboard interactive and fun to use. Tools like Indify or Aption let you embed these easily. Lastly, minimalism is key. Avoid overloading your dashboard with too many colors, images, or widgets. A clean layout with enough white space makes it feel more organized and aesthetic. If you want more Notion tips and dashboard inspiration, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and click the bell for more productivity hacks.